Guys, thank you very much for coming back. Honestly, I'm gonna be completely. That's 350. We need that to be warmed up as well. Listen to me. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's been about 6 to 7 videos I've made, and I'm a perfectionist. To be quite frank, I have been watching my videos to try to get better based on your feedback to me, and I can't be more grateful because, picking up from what you guys are telling me, I feel like I'm really learning. So I hope that this video can be better than the other ones before. And what we're gonna do is just make a really wicked hamburger, and this thing is really gonna bring over those people when COVID is finished, hopefully. Who's tired of those masks, right? I know I am. So let's get this hamburger going and let's make something really fun. And if you think it's gotten better, share it with your friends and family. Ground beef and put it into a bowl, and let's get some seasoning this meat and put it in the fridge. That's the longest thing we're gonna do right now. This thing needs to marinate for at least 15 minutes. So to make this within 30, let's get that done first. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is just take this ground beef and we're gonna put it into this bowl and we're gonna season it. So that way we're gonna let those seasonings sit for about 15 minutes. We wanna finish this thing in 30 minutes because I don't wanna lie to you. So what we want to do is just get this thing done first and put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. Let me show you how. Go ahead. First off, you want to put the ground beef inside the bowl. Then let's put our dry ingredients. Black pepper, ground cumin, paprika, salt, and panko, yay! Green seasoning, and of course, 1 egg. Okay, so what we have done here, is we've gone and put all of our ingredients into the ground beef, and we just want to mix it up. Squishy. I just want to tell you all a real cool story. To be honest, I am practicing this recipe for tomorrow. I'm making this for one of my episodes for One Caribbean, but you can't tell them, it's a secret. Seriously, don't tell them, it might get in trouble. Alright, so there you go, that's how it's supposed to look. We're gonna let this rest like this in the fridge. You could divide this into the hamburgers right now, but I'd rather just let this thing sit, let all of these seasonings soak up into the meat, and let me make our hamburger patties after. Alright? So, wash your hand in soap and water, and I'll see you all in 15 minutes. Now what we're going to do is form these hamburgers into hamburgers. But before I do that, I really want to know, guys, do you like this style of video better or the last one? To be honest, I'm just trying to improve for you and for me. So let me know. Okay, so now we have our hamburger meat. We're gonna form them make them into patties. And while I do that, I'm gonna ask you, hey, do you like this new style of video I'm doing? And if you do, comment below. And if you don't, let me know too, because just trying to get better to serve our community. Saga boys. Alright, so listen, as we make this into patties, wicked. It's holding together so well, and I cannot imagine right now what it's gonna taste like. It's gonna be really, really good. And to be honest, as a comfort food, hamburgers is the best for me. I love hamburgers. I am pretty, but I love hamburgers.
Okay, so what I'm doing here is forming these into beef patties. Beef patties? I meant hamburgers. See, I'm just gently pushing it together and really making it into a circle. The more you gently make it into a solid form, the better it's gonna hold in the pan. Look at all of those seasonings in this beef. Wow!
In the pan, now that it's getting warm, we're going to add a half stick of butter. That's me making a noise. That's not the thing making a shh. So now we're just gonna add, as the butter's getting warm, just gonna add the green seasoning. Just season that pot. You don't have to do these things, but these little details will add a lot of tremendous flavor in the end. So now that we're getting to the right temperature of the oil, let's go ahead and add these hamburgers. Wow, are they beautiful. Let's let this go. Right now we're on high, make sure that oven's ready to go. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to man, oh gosh. So, let me just make sure that this thing is going good. Come check it out. I can't even tell you what it smells like in here. It smells like heaven. And wow, it really does smell great. But if you guys look at it, can you see the different amazing seasonings we have in there? Can you imagine the flavor? It's wicked. So we're gonna cook this for 3.5 minutes on one side. Let's speed up. See you in 3. Okay, so now that we have cooked one side of it for 3.5 minutes, let's cook this side now for about 1.5 minutes because we want to cook it all the way through in the oven.
That what it is.
So what we want to do now is I'm going to pull out these hamburgers. They're not quite finished yet, but I want to use this amazing butter to put on the bread. Don't burn the butter as well. I want to use that amazing butter in the bread so that it'll soak it up, and we're gonna bake that bread as well. So after we use the beautiful butter magic, we're gonna put this in the oven, and as well as that bread. Okay, so now that we're all finished, just dress these buns on this side. Join me over here because this thing is already done. It's beautiful, fantastic. Let's go. Okay, so let's dress these buns. Woo! Man, you can't even feel it. I tell you, come and feel it. Yes. This thing is so crispy, but honestly so soft at the same time. Let's dress these things here on this. Let's cut this here. All right, and these are the 2 tops. So if you have a little bit of mayo, you could use that. But here's my green. This is my garlic sauce, and I make this fresh. If you want to order from me, you can. Order maracas.ca, and you can order the food that I make. and we do deliveries right now. Maracas.ca on Instagram if you want to, but if you don't, you can make all this stuff because I'm teaching you how to do it. Just go ahead and subscribe. Alright, cool. So let's put that on the top of that. Wish I had more. You know what? 1 second. Much better. I don't know why I was being such a silly guy with a big knife. There you go. Much better. Much better. Thank you. Alright, there you go. Goodbye. And ketchup on the other side. Lettuce. And a fresh tomato. Good night, guys. This is gonna impress those people when you could finally have them come over. Anyways, I don't know. Hopefully, it goes back to real life soon. I don't even know, to tell you the truth. Come check this out. Okay guys, we're all finished. I hope that you guys subscribe so we can build an army. Saga boy. Woo! Woo! If that does not do it for you, I don't know what will. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next time. I'll see you next time on Line with Ling. Guys, I really appreciate that you guys came to watch this episode. Please, again, give me some comments below. Tell me what I can do better. And I appreciate you coming to join me on this journey because I couldn't do without you. So I'll see you next time, and go and watch my TV show on One Caribbean. Go and subscribe. See you.